great day. Last January, I went to a cup campori. It was my first visit to a cup campori, and it was my first time away from home. A campori is a gathering of cups from different parts of Bangladesh. Cups all over the world have their own camporis.
থ্যাংক ইউ অঙ্কন। এরপর পায়েল দে।
The cup campuri took place in Simongol under Molubi Bazar district. To get there, we traveled from Dhaka to Simongol by train. We arrived in the morning. The weather was nice. We walked to our camp from the train station.
থ্যাংক ইউ পায়েল দে। এবার ইয়াশিল টুসু।
There were 10 of us and 2 leaders. We were a big group, so we didn't take any risks. We worked together in our group. It wasn't very far at the camp. We cleaned up the area, set up our tents and prepared our breakfast. After breakfast, we played games with clubs from other parts of Bangladesh.
থ্যাংক ইউ। এরপর তাসরিন আক্তার।
Then we had lunch. We cooked rice and chicken. In the afternoon and evening we sing a song and recited poems. It was fun. At night we slept in our tent.
থ্যাংক ইউ। এরপর পুনম মণ্ডল।
It was a great day. The next day after the campuri, we went to Lavachara National Park. It was very interesting. We took a walk beside a small stream in the forest.
থ্যাংক ইউ পুনম। এরপর নাফিস।
Our leaders told us to be very quiet because the animals are frightened by noise. We walked quite up a small hill and suddenly we had some time in the tree about our hands. We looked up and saw gibbon in was moving toward the tree.
থ্যাংক ইউ। নেক্সট জোনায়েদ শেখ।
After our visit to Lavachara National Park, we went to the Nikonto Citizen is a famous place to drink tea in Simongol. The national Nikonto glass of tea of different colors and flavors.
থ্যাংক ইউ জোনায়েদ। এরপর আবিদ দাস।
It was amazing. I will never forget my visit to Lavachara National Park. It was a great day.
থ্যাংক ইউ। এরপর সুরাইয়া।
Last January, I went to a cup campuri. It was my first time away. A campuri is a gathering of cups from different parts of Bangladesh. Cups all over the world very things.
থ্যাংক ইউ সুরাইয়া। আর সিজান তুমি এখান থেকে পড়ো। দ্য কাপ ক্যাম্পুরি টুক প্লেস ইন শ্রীমঙ্গল। এখান থেকে পড়ো।
The campuri took place in Simongol under Molubazar district. To get there, we traveled from Dhaka to Simongol by train. We arrived in the morning, so the weather was nice. We walked to our camp from the train station. There were 10 of us, the two leaders. We were a big group.
Thank you.